Be ready. Start. The petitioner are A2 and A3 that CC number 32 of 2006 on the file that the Metropolitan Magistrate Delhi has been filed for the offences under sections 2 bracket A bracket M and 7 within bracket small I punishable under section 6 bracket 1 bracket A bracket small I of the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954 for short the act on 24 January 2004 at 2 p.m. the Food Inspector Delhi visited the shop of the second petitioner. The learned counsel for the petitioner that the contended in the product. Investigating officer Mr. Amit Kumar Sharma under section 12 of the act has been called subsection 1 of section 12 of the act goes as under. On perusal of the aforementioned proviso appended to the provision obligatory under section 26/56/87 of the IPC under chapter 7 of the CRPC, section 12 of the Act residential to the facilities in the corollary and orally that judicial magistrate Delhi. The proceeding has also been assailed on the ground that before issuance of the notice that learned Metropolitan Magistrate challenge in this appeal is the judgment and order dated 1 December 2009 passed by the ADJ in ST number 64/94 on 2 July 1975 came to the complainant that the information leave granted Phul Chand accused number 1 was a retired army officer Delhi. He was allegedly that the bringing in the plot number 96 Delhi. Prosecution version are as follows. In the light of the principles set out above, the conviction that charge sheet is to be made under section 304B part 1 IPC section 302 IPC, the conviction is accordingly has altered to the custodial reference of 10 years would meet the ends of justice in this appeal stand are partly allowed. Failure on the part of the appellant to serve a proper notice strictly in terms of proviso under section 420 of the IPC that Negotiable Instruments Act for short the NI Act whether would lead to the quashing of the criminal proceeding initiated by the ADJ. On a complaint made by the appellant that the question has involved that the restitution of the conjugal rights resultantly in the revision petition has been preferred that the husband, the ground available for any enhancement of the amount granted by the trial court. Full stop. Over.
Let's execute.